Video obtained by Reuters shows a damaged section of the Crimean Bridge linking Russia to the Crimean Peninsula. 2 people were killed and their daughter was seriously injured on July 17 after blasts on the bridge, a major supply artery for Russian troops fighting in Ukraine and a prestige project that was personally opened by President Vladimir Putin. Russian officials called it an emergency situation. Russia's Grey Zone channel, a Telegram channel affiliated with the Wagner mercenary group, reported there were 2 strikes on the bridge at 3:04 a.m. and 3:20 a.m. The parents of a girl were killed and their daughter was injured in a passenger car. Russia blamed Ukraine for an attack on the bridge last October. Ukraine admitted only indirectly to the attack months later. The Crimean Peninsula has been a cherished vacation destination for Russians, especially after Moscow launched its invasion on Ukraine in 2022, and traveling to the west became much more difficult for Russians.